Hi students, how are you? Good morning to all. My name is Kavya. I am your mathematics teacher. So this is class for 5th standard. So before that, in the previous class we have to learn about comparing numbers, expanded form, standard form, successor, predecessor, etc. So today we will discuss about forming greatest and smallest numbers. Forming greatest and smallest numbers. So you have to learn that greatest numbers is formed by arranging the given digits and descending order. So listen careful. Learn that the greatest number is formed by arranging the given digits in the descending order. So what is the descending order? Descending order means arranging them greatest to smallest. For example, 9, 8, 6. Greatest digit to smallest. So this is descending order. Descending order. And the smallest number is formed by arranging the digits ascending order. So listen careful. The smallest number is formed by arranging the digits in ascending order. Ascending order means opposite of the descending order. Opposite of the descending order. Smallest to biggest. Arranging them smallest to biggest. 5, 6, 7. Smallest to biggest. For another example, 1, 2, 6. Smallest to biggest. Okay. So this is descending order example and this is ascending order example. Next, digits cannot be repeated. Digits cannot be repeated. From the greatest and smallest 8-digit numbers by using the digits greatest. From the greatest and smallest 8-digit number by using the digits 9, 0, 1, 2, 8, 6, 5 and 3. So greatest digits. Greatest to smallest digits. So which place digits cannot be repeated? Here digits cannot be repeated. So greatest number 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1, 0. So greatest numbers. So cannot be repeated again. 9, only 1. 8, only 1. 6, 5, 4, 3, 1, 0. All the numbers only taken one time. Okay. So here smallest number. So you recognize that 0 is the smallest number. 1. Compare then 1. 0 is the smallest number. So why we write 0 from here? As 0 does not have any value at the beginning. So listen careful. As 0 does not value any value from the beginning. It is placed from second place. Which place? Second place. From the left. From the left. So we always remember that Nana. 0 does not have any value at the beginning. Okay. So next, digits can be repeated. So here digits cannot be repeated and here digits can be repeated. So the difference between digit cannot be repeated and here digits can be repeated. From the greatest number and smallest 8-digit number using the digits 8, 5, 4, 6, 0 and 2. Any kind of numbers we use. Okay. So that is example. Form the greatest and smallest 8-digit number using the digits 8, 5, 4, 6 and 0. So here greatest number 8, 6, 5, 4, 2, 0. Greatest number start from greatest to smallest. So repeating the greatest digit thrice. How many times? Thrice. 1, 2, 3. Thrice. Okay. So and here smallest number. So 2, 0, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. So this is 8 crores, 88 lakhs, 65,420 and here 2 crores, 20 lakhs, 2 crores, 2 lakhs, 24,568. So here repeating the smallest digit thrice. You remember that? Repeated smallest digit thrice. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is our forming greatest and smallest numbers and digit cannot be repeated and digit can be repeated. So next, next, page number 67. First problem. First problem. So listen careful. Find the successor of the following numbers. So first problem, 8 crores, 64 lakhs, 32,818. Successor rate. So we have to learn about successories. So plus, we can add plus 1. One more then. Okay. So we can add plus 1. So listen careful. 8 crores, 64 lakhs, 32,818. So plus 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to, start from ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. Okay. Next, crore. So O is denoted as ones and T is denoted as tens and H is denoted as hundreds and T is denoted as thousand. TH denoted as 10,000, L denoted as lakhs and TL denoted as 10 lakhs and C denoted as crores. So we always start from right to left. Which kind of problem? Any problem we start from right to left. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. There is no value. So 1 comes down and 8 also comes down. 2 comes down. 3 comes down. 4 comes down. 6 comes down. 8 comes down. So 8 crores, 64 lakhs, 32,819 and here 818. 8 crores, 64 lakhs, 32,818. So successor replace 1 add. So here 8 crores, 64 lakhs, 32,819. Next, predecessor problem. Second bit. Second bit. Find the predecessor of the following numbers. Our first problem, A, 7 crores, 78 lakhs, 26,435. So this is the model of predecessor. So here minus 1, subtract minus 1. Okay, so 7 crores, 78 lakhs, 26,435 minus 1. Before problem plus 1 and here minus 1. So listen careful, Nana. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. So is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. So there is no value. So 3 comes down and 4 comes down. 6 comes down. 2 comes down. 8 comes down, 7 comes down and 7 also comes down. So we put in comma. So 7 crores, 78 lakhs, 26,434. 434. Here 7 crores, 78 lakhs, 26,435 minus 1. So 7 crores, 78 lakhs, 26,434. So this is our predecessor problem. And next bit, third bit. Compare the following numbers using symbols. I already told you this is greater than and this is less than. Okay, this is symbol of greater than and this is less than. You remember that. So here A problem, 79 lakhs, 54,000, 725 and 74 lakhs 78,208. So listen careful. 79 lakhs 54,725 and here 74 lakhs 78,208. So both digits are how many here? 7 digits. Both digits are equal. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So compare from left to right. Left to right. 7 and here also 7. 9. So which place Nana? 10,000 place. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. 9 lakhs place. Difference here 9 and here 4. So which is the biggest number here? This one we use greater than. Okay. Next problem. 37 lakhs 82,910. 6 crores 12 lakhs 9,314. So which is the biggest number here? Okay, listen careful. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits. So we recognize that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit number and 7 digit number. So easy. Less than. So this one is biggest number. Greater than and less than. And next bit, last bit in this question time. Arrange the following groups of number in ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means arrange them smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. So let's see. 59 lakhs 28,345. And next 5 crores 59 lakhs 28,347. And next 5 crores 59 lakhs 78,445. And next 5 crores 59 lakhs 16,136. Arranging the ascending order. So here listen careful Nana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. Okay. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 8 digit number. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is also 8 digit number. So which is the smallest number here? This one. 59 lakhs 28,345. So next. So compare the three numbers. So 5 crores. So start from left to right. Left to right. 5 crores. 3 numbers have a 5 crores. And comes to 10 lakhs. So 5, 5, 5. So next number 9. And here also 9, 9. And next 2. And here 7. And here 1. So listen careful. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So 10,000 numbers, 10,000 digits different. Say yes or no? 1. So 2. So here 59, 59, 5 crores, 59 lakhs. Same. So this is smallest. So 1, 2. Compare the three numbers. 1, 2, 7. So this is the smallest number. So 5 crores, 59 lakhs 16,136. And next, completed these two numbers, and here compare this two number. So 5 crores 59 lakhs 28,000, and here 78,000. So this one, next smallest number 5 crores 59 lakhs 28,347. So last number, so this one. Okay, so this is a biggest number in these four numbers. Okay, 5 crores 59 lakhs 78,445. So this is the ascending order. Okay Nana, so we will discuss about on tomorrow descending order. So this is our class today. So bye bye Nana.